everyone, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today I'm going to be applying another round of fertilizer to my lawn. This is the second round since the beginning of the season. So I'm going to be putting down some 2506 that I bought at a site one. And yeah, so if you're a new viewer, thanks a lot for watching one of my videos. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for returning. If you're new here, would you please consider maybe giving me a like, thumbs up, or subscribing to my channel? It would help me out quite a bit. This is the fertilizer I'm going to be putting down today. Got it at a Site 1 store. It was on clearance. I don't remember what I paid for it. It was a very good deal. This is the actual chemical analysis. It's a 2506. It's a Lesco brand. So 2506, that means it's 25% nitrogen, 0% phosphorus, and 6% potassium. So it's a really good fertilizer for the summertime because your potassium is going to help you protect your grass from disease. And the 25, obviously that's nitrogen. Grass is a pretty good consumer of nitrogen. So yeah, this should work out good. And this is a time release or control, they call it a control release. So it's a slow release fertilizer, so it doesn't just hit it hard and just go away. It feeds slowly over time. We're supposed to get some rain tomorrow night. So I gotta get this down. I just got home from work. I gotta get this down. So I'm gonna go 3/4. This is 25% nitrogen. 2506, so 25% of this bag is nitrogen. So I'm gonna apply it at a 0.75 rate. So I'm gonna put down 3 pounds per thousand. 25% of 3 is 3/4. So I'm gonna go 3 pounds per thousand. I just did the front here, 10,000, so I put 6 pounds here, and I'm gonna do the back, which is a little over 5,000. It's close to 6,000, but that's okay. I'm gonna go with the same 15 pounds, which is gonna give me a little bit less than 0.75 back there because it's closer to 6,000 square feet, but that's close enough. 3/4 of a pound of nitrogen is good. That's a good hit. My lawn hasn't got anything except the first round of 10-10-10 way back in April. I think it was in April, late April, early May. That's it. My lawn hasn't got anything else besides that, and actually I got that and some grub preventative for grubs, an insect killer, down about 3 weeks ago. But we're supposed to get rain tomorrow or the day after, and the day after I should say. So this is good. If you put something down like this granular, you have to water it in. 99% of the time, everything we apply on our lawns has to be watered in. So, and fertilizer is no different. 1/2 inch of water to 1 inch of water is perfect. So I'm praying for rain. I don't have irrigation here. It's a lot of grass. I can't irrigate it by hand. With a hose, it takes too long. So let's get this down and hope for rain. That's it, guys. All done. Took me about 20 minutes. Takes you longer to get the stuff that you need at the store, unless you get it from Amazon, than actually doing the whole job. Yeah, so I'm all set. So now we just gotta wait for rain, water this stuff in. Should help my grass turn a little bit greener, grow it more, a little bit more. It does need a mow. Next time we get together, we're gonna take care of all these weeds. I got weeds growing everywhere, and I have not treated for weeds yet. There's wild violet. There's all different kinds of things. There's clover. There's all different kind of weeds in this grass. It's everywhere. All you see is weeds. No big deal. We'll take care of it. So check out my next video where I tell you my way of getting rid of weeds in the lawn. I think it's the best way. Again, if you're new here, thank you very much for watching my video. Please consider hitting that silly little thing that says, gives you a thumbs up. Yeah, press that button. And if you could subscribe, that would be awesome. Thank you very much. Stick around. We're going to do some more fun stuff. Bye.